Welcome back, students. So, we will discuss about stars in this video. So, stars. The stars are celestial objects that contain or that consist of hot gases, namely hydrogen and helium. Okay. So, star is a ball of hot gases that contains hydrogen and helium. So, the stars emit their own light. That's why stars are known as luminous objects. Okay, stars are known as luminous objects because they will produce their own light. So, stars emit their own light, that is luminous objects. Now, all stars are not the same. They vary in brightness, size and color and temperature. All stars are not the same. They may vary in brightness, size, color and temperature. They are massive in size, however they appear at point-sized object from the Earth's surface because they are far away from us. So, they are massive in size, but from Earth it appears to be point-sized objects, means it is far away from us. This is because they are at huge distance from the Earth. The stars have a life period. They take millions of years to born and live for 10 millions of years and come to an end. During their long lifespan, the changes in the stars are not even sudden, hence they appear as permanent to us. Stars emit light when it enters the Earth's surface. When it enters the Earth's surface, has to travel through the several layers of the Earth's atmosphere. Hence, it appears that light is travelling in a zigzag motion due to the changes in the density of the atmosphere and the density of the space. Therefore, it appears to us as the stars are twinkling. So, when light from the star enters the atmosphere, it will move or it will travel through the atmosphere in a zigzag motion, and due to the change in the densities of the atmosphere and the densities of the space, we have a feeling that the stars are twinkling. It is due to atmospheric refraction. Then, whether our sun is also a star? Our sun is also a star because it produces its own light. It is also a star. So, the sun is also a star because sun can produce light and heat energy on its own. Sun has a life period just like the other stars. The sun is estimated to born around 5 billions of years ago and would live for next 5 billion years. So, the sun is estimated to born around 5 billion years ago and they would live for next 5 billion years also. So, normally we will measure the smaller distance between two states or distance between one place to another in terms of kilometers or miles. But we will measure the distance between one planet and the other, or from one satellite to another satellite, or from Earth to Saturn in terms of light years. That is, the distance between celestial objects is described in terms of light years. Light years means what is the distance travelled by the light in 1 year? What is the distance travelled by the light in 1 year? So, that value will be 9.4 into 10 raised to 12 kilometer. Okay, this much distance the light will cover in 1 year. Okay, so that is known as light year. The speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So, how we calculated this distance? We know speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. So, distance equal to speed into time. That is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second into 1 year how many days? 365. 1 day how many hours? 24. Then 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. Then 1 minute how many seconds? 60 seconds. So, when you multiply all these things, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second into 365 into 24 into 60 into 60. Then you will get the answer 9.4 into 10 raised to 12 kilometer. So, that is the distance travelled by the light in 1 year. Now, the distance between the sun and the earth is 8 light minutes. The distance between the sun and the earth is 8 light minutes, means the sunlight will take 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. The sunlight will take 8.3 minutes to reach the earth surface. Then the distance between Alpha Centauri and the earth is 4.3 light years. Stars are present in the sky during the day as well as the night time, but daytime it is not visible for us because of the bright light of the sun. Stars are visible in the sky, or stars are present in the sky during the daytime and also at the night time. It is visible for us during the night time. It is invisible for us during the daytime. The reason is that it is because of the bright sunlight. So, stars are present in the sky during the day as well as the night. However, during the daytime, the sunlight is so bright that it becomes difficult to locate the stars in the sky. If we observe a star or a group of stars for some hours, their position appears to change. This is because of the motion of the earth. The earth keeps on revolving around the sun and hence changes its position with respect to the stars. The rotation of the earth takes place in the direction of west to east. The rotation of earth is from west to east. To us, it appears as if the earth is still and the sky is moving from east to west direction. For us, we have a feeling that the earth is still and the sky is moving from east to west. However, it is not true. Also, this is the same reason why the sun appears to rise from east to east and set in the west. Then, pole star is situated very close to the earth's axis of rotation. As a result, the position of the pole star appears to be fixed. It is unlike the other stars as their position keeps on changing with respect to the earth. As the earth is moving around the sun, the position of the stars also changes. But for pole star, it is along the axis of the rotation of the earth. Earth will rotate from in its own axis. So, a pole star is located just above the north pole of the earth and it is along the axis of the rotation. So, when earth rotates its own axis, the position of the pole star will not change. Okay, the position of the pole star will not change, or the pole star appears to be stationary with respect to the earth, because it's along the axis of the earth rotation. So, it will be very easy for us to identify a pole star from other stars. So, for other stars, the position of the their position will be changing, but for pole star its position will not change because it is along the axis of the rotation of the earth. The star is visible towards the north and it is the only star that remains stationary in the sky with respect to the earth. Before the invention of magnetic compass, sailors used pole star to find the north direction. Okay. Before the invention of pole star compass and magnetic compass or compass needle, sailors used to identify the north with the help of the pole star.